Good morning, first class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So children, welcome back to your English class, and today we will revise the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 from English text. आज हम इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट से चैप्टर नंबर 1 एंड चैप्टर नंबर 2 को रिवाइज करेंगे. आपका चैप्टर नंबर 1 है हाउ बी मेक्स हनी, यानी कि किस बी हनी कैसे बनाती है. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस पोएम एंड आई होप यू वुड हैव इट लर्न इट. आपने ज़रूर ये पोएम याद कर ली होगी. नाउ कम टू द प्रैक्टिस. सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट विद द वर्ड मीनिंग. तो हम सबसे पहले वर्ड मीनिंग से स्टार्ट करेंगे. बिजी, बिजी इट मीन्स always doing some work. Idle it means not doing anything. Collect it means gather. Beehive it means a place where bees live. Now A part, take the right answer. So you have 3 options are here and you have to take the correct one. So first is the dash wakes up early in the morning. Flower, bee, insect. So who wakes up early in the morning? Bee wakes up early in the morning, so B is the correct answer. So take the B and write here. The bee flies from dash, flower to flower, plant to plant, tree to tree. So flower to flower is the correct answer, so take the flower to flower and write here. Now the bee collect honey from dash, pot, bottles, flowers. So flowers is the correct answer, so take the flowers and write here. The bee stores honey in the dash, bee pot, beehive, stomach. So beehive is the correct answer. Take the beehive and write here. Now the B part, fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the bracket. तो यहाँ पर आप वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं आपको ब्रैकेट में, जिसकी हेल्प से आपको ये ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. सो फर्स्ट इज हनी बी लिव्स इन अ beehive or nest. So honey bee lives in a beehive. So beehive is the correct answer. Take the beehive and write here beehive. Honey bee collects honey from dash, fruits or flower. So honey bee collect honey from flowers. So flowers is the correct. So take the flowers and fill the flowers here. Honey bee stores honey in the vase or beehive. So honey bee stores honey in the beehive. So beehive is the correct answer. Right here beehive. Honey bee is always busy or idle. So honey bee is always busy. So busy is the correct answer. Right here busy. Honey bee makes dash for all, honey or jam. So honey bee makes honey for all. So honey is the correct. So write here honey. Now chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is let's talk. Here bush, it means a bunch of shrubs. Puppy, it means a baby of a dog. Colorful, it means full of color. Balcony, it means a narrow floor that is attached to the outside wall of a boundary above the ground. Now come to the exercise A part. Here again you have to take the correct one. So there is a dash in the bush. Cat, rabbit, puppy. So puppy is the correct answer. So take the puppy here and write here puppy. That is an dash tree. Mango, apple, papaya. So apple is the correct answer. So take the apple and write here apple. Now those are dash fruit. Fresh, stale, rotten. So fresh is the correct answer. Take the fresh and write here fresh. The dash twinkle only at night. Stars, moon, sun. So stars is the correct answer. Take the stars and write here stars. Now here fill in the missing letter. Complete the names of given fruits and vegetables. So here number 1 is banana. Second is mango. Third is apple. Fourth is orange. Fifth is carrot. Sixth is tomato. Seventh is papaya. Eighth is brinjal. Now here the E part. E part, fill in the blanks with is mr. So here you have to fill is mr. Is we use with the singular noun एंड प्रोनाउन, यानी सिंगुलर नाउन और वन के साथ हम इज़ का यूज़ करते हैं. एम इज़ यूज ओनली आई प्रोनाउन. आई प्रोनाउन के साथ एम का यूज़ होता है. एंड आर इज़ यूज विद द प्लूरल नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन, यानी मैनी के साथ हम आर का यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ हियर आई एम अ गर्ल. मदर इज़ कुकिंग. ईरा एंड ओजस आर ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. फ्रूट्स आर फ्रेश. पपी इज़ इन द bush. द स्टार्स आर ट्विंकलिंग. एंड हियर some fill in the blanks and true false from chapter number 2. Let's talk. So here the fill in the blanks. So fill the missing word. Ojas and Ira in the park. So you have to fill here park. Ojas throws the ball into the dash bush. Yani Ojas throws the ball into the bush. So write here bush. There is a dash in the bush. So puppy. You have to fill here puppy. So there is a puppy in the bush. Now here write true or false. So write true for the correct statement and false for the इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. जो यहाँ पर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है वहाँ पर आप ट्रू लिखेंगे और जो फॉल्स है वहाँ पर आप जो फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट है वहाँ पर आप फॉल्स लिखेंगे. सो द वेजिटेबल्स आर रॉ. येस इट इज़ ट्रू. सो वी राइट हियर ट्रू. द फ्रूट्स आर नॉट फ्रेश. सो नो द फ्रूट्स आर फ्रेश. सो इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. ये रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट है इसलिए हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे फॉल्स. The stars do not twinkle at night. Is it true or false? So it is false. ये false है क्योंकि stars जो होते हैं वो रात के टाइम में ही twinkle करते हैं. So the stars do not twinkle at night. It is false because the stars twinkle at night. क्योंकि stars जो होते हैं वो रात के टाइम ही चमकते हैं. So the children, your revision is completed. Now you have some work here. Now here some homework for you from chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. chapter number 1 और chapter number 2 से यहाँ पर आपके लिए कुछ homework है and this homework you will do in your notebook. ये work जो है आपको अपनी notebook में करना है. So here the first A part is take the right answer. The dash wakes up early in the morning. Flower, bee, insect. The bee stores honey in the pot, beehive, stomach. There is a dash in the bush. Cat, rabbit, puppy. So which one is the correct? You have to take the correct answer and fill there. Now the dash twinkle only at night. Stars, moon and sun. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Honey bee lives in a dash. So where does honey bee live? So you have to write here. Honey bee makes dash for all. So what makes honey bee? So you have to write here. Ojas and Ira are in the. So where are Ojas and Ira? So you have to write here. There is a dash in the bush. So who was dash in the bush? So you have to write here. You have to fill these blanks. Now true and false. The vegetables are raw. It is true or false? You have to write here. The stars do not twinkle at night. So it is true or false? You have to write here. So the children, that's all for today, and the further work we will do in the next class. Till then, bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.